What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of obtaining Sabrina Trainer Card and Pokémon TCG. The Sabrina card is a valuable supporter card that can enhance your gameplay strategy. So let's begin. You can get a Sabrina Trainer Card in the Pokémon Trading Card Game Pocket and the pack. The pack you need to open is the Charizard pack. If you want to make sure that Sabrina is in the pack of Charizards, you can tap the offering rates at the bottom left of the game screen to check the percentage of the card you can get. When you scroll down, it takes seconds to find Sabrina Trainer and Pokémon Trading Card Game Pocket. As you can see, the percentage you can get Sabrina Trainer and Charizard pack is 0.050%, so expect to open more than one pack of Charizard unless you are lucky. The other way to get Sabrina Trainer is to go to Pack Point Exchange, which is located at the bottom right of the screen. And the Pack Point Exchange, scroll down until you find Sabrina. Now, the point you need to get Sabrina is 70. You can get pack points by opening a pack of cards. Every pack of Pokemon cards has 5 cards inside of it, which means you can get a point of 5. Same if you open 10 packs of Pokemon cards, which is a total of 50 cards overall. So you can get 50 points too. To get the Sabrina Trainer Card and Pokémon TCG Pocket, ensure your game is progressing, participate in events, explore the card shop, trade with others, complete challenges, and leverage online resources. By following the steps, you can enhance your card collection and improve your gameplay. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.